Migao mar omenda olando kenge mag duoko chien osuru ma ijuogo jo Kenya e thuolo mar higni 3. Jatend migao mar omenda John Mbadi ma olose kinde nyasi mar sidho budget mar 2025-2026 olando ni sirkal geto duoko piny osuru ma ijuogo kuom nengo mag mwandu mag VAT kowuok e 16% nyaka 14%. Osuru ma ijuogo kembe kata corporate tax bende ichano duok piny kowuok e 30% nyaka 25%. Owacho bende ni thuolo koro yaw ne jo Kenya kod riwruoge mag jolony ochwal pachgi wi chenro mar budget mabiro.
The National Treasury has developed the medium-term revenue strategy to enhance domestic revenue mobilization over the medium term. The strategy will guide tax administration to improve efficiency in the administration of tax laws, create tax rates that will enhance compliance, and build the tax base. I will surprise you. In the medium term, we want to reduce tax rates. We are not thinking of increasing tax rates. We are going to reduce VAT in the medium term from 16% to about 14%. We want to reduce other taxes, including corporation tax or corporate tax, from 30 to 25%, and even pay as you earn. This is the strategy. The thinking of the Treasury is not to increase the tax rate, is to reduce it.